Hey, you atrocious tree huggers, welcome to Peril 4x4. Today we're going to be exploring Moab Rim. Also in this video, we're going to break down this trail, that way you have a heads up before you go on and hit this one. Devil's Crack. Why is this one difficult? First of all, it's on the edge of a cliff. Once you get over the oh shit factor that somehow you may go over the edge of said cliff, it's not that bad. I know this isn't a very good angle to capture the difficulty of this obstacle, but in my opinion, the best way to overcome it is to take it wide, closer to the edge. Then you cut in towards the camera, wedging your front passenger side tire to the left. When that tire starts to climb, the driver's side will follow. Now your front end is up. Now the next most important part is the bump. Now the most important thing of the bump is to make sure that you have momentum. Now you want to leave yourself a good about foot to make sure that you can gain that momentum to carrying you up that hill. One trick to remember here is one step at a time. What that translates to in the off-road industry is one tire at a time, if possible. If not possible, that little bump turn into a big bump, and big bumps turn into shipwrecking. Let's watch this good example. What's up, guys? We made it to the top of Moab Rim here. Just think it's beautiful outside today. Fury's running good. It's insane. I've never done this before, just taking off by myself. So much fun. Let's walk over here. I'll show you the city of Moab. Moab. This is a great trail. It's not as hard as I remember it being. Lockers and built like I am. So just easy going, nothing crazy. Suspension on my Jeep's so soft I feel like I'm gonna roll on every obstacle though. For me, the hard part is not going up, it's coming down, especially without a spotter. One wrong slip and you're done for. The only hope you have is to hammer down on the throttle and turn into whichever way you're tilting. Or just let off the brakes and hope for the best. But really, it just depends on the situation that you're in. So be smart and make the right decision. And hopefully you come out with all four on the ground.
Fuck, I hate going downhill. This part's gonna be worse. This is what we're dealing with. So, it'll be fun. At least we'll get it on camera. Alright. See what happens.
On obstacles like this one, it is imperative that you get out and look at your line before you go down. Once you start, sometimes there's no going back and you just get yourself into a worse spot. Here, you'll notice me trying to visualize where my tires are going to end up, making sure that I stay as level as possible. That is the most important thing. And going up this obstacle, where I was talking about the one tire at a time, going down, you want to try and keep both tires going down at the same time. You don't want to get sideways. You don't want to drop one and then have another one drop. You just get sideways. It's not a very fun spot to be. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something, whether it was how to take some of these obstacles or if it's the first time you've heard of Moab Rim. I just hope that somehow I inspired you to go out there and make your own adventure. Also, always remember, pick up your trash and make the trail better than when you were there, even if it means picking up somebody else's garbage.